Hey all, welcome to ShareTrek. This is Raj here. Today I want to talk to you about Immatics. I'm fascinated by their TCER technology, and I think it's a game changer. I've already spoken about this before in my earlier videos, but it's worth mentioning again. I think the bispecifics TCER technology of theirs is a game changer in my opinion. Recently, they had some setback in the market as they shared data for TCR bispecific candidate IMA 402, which is targeting PRAME. It's a target that's found in most solid tumors. And they presented data at the European Society for Medical Oncology Congress for 2022. And that prompted the share price to fall. I think it's been an overreaction. That's what I said at that time as well. And I think Immatics share is being punished for no good reason. In this video, I want to explain why I think so and take a closer look at Immatics. So let's get started. Welcome back, friends. First, let me remind viewers that I'm not a scientist, I'm not a financial analyst, and the opinions here are my own opinions and it's not financial advice. That said, let's take a look at IMA 402 data and try to understand what it means to IMTX share prices. First off, TCER IMA 402 is a next generation half-life extended TCR bispecific, which targets a human leukocyte antigen, HLA, which is presented as a peptide derived from PRAME. PRAME is a target that is found in most solid tumors. As per this report, which was released last week, in preclinical studies, IMA 402 demonstrated enhanced anti-tumor activity in vivo and reduced T-cell engager-associated toxicities, thus demonstrating overall favorable in vitro safety profile. And that's a big deal, my friends, because you have seen our earlier videos talking about CAR-T therapies from various other companies where cytokine toxicity was a big problem, which also needed patients to be hospitalized for a period of time. So considering that, I think this is a very good development here. The study also suggested the potential for a favorable dosing regimen in patients with prolonged drug exposure at therapeutic levels. IMA 402 is part of Immatics' strategy to leverage the full clinical potential of targeting PRAME, one of the most promising targets for TCR-based therapies. Some key facts that I noted from the press release was that, number one, the T-cell recruiter domain is a proprietary low-affinity T-cell recruiter against the TCR CD3 complex that demonstrates superior in vivo tumor control, and I believe it is a valuable IP for this company. The second thing I would like to mention is that the IMA 402 TCR is optimized to reduce T-cell engager-associated toxicity in patients, which is demonstrated by reduced recruiter-mediated cytokine release in vitro. This improves the safety profile and is a major factor for my optimism. Further, in vitro safety assessment, including toxicity screening against 20 normal tissue types, whole blood cytokine release assessment, confirmed favorable safety profile for IMA 402. And IMTX has a half-life extended format of IMA 402 that confers serum half-life of greater than a week, which helps prolong the drug exposure to the patient. Now, phase 1 of 2 clinical trial is planned to start in 2023, that is next year. A submission of the CTA or IND application is planned for Q2 2023, thus setting up a very fast-moving trajectory for this therapy. I'm eagerly looking forward to the results as I'm bullish on the prospects of bispecifics, which are allogenic and in my opinion, they fit the existing business model of creating and administering medicines. I believe these therapies will be available off the shelf and therefore there will be minimal waiting time between request by patient and delivery of the therapy to the patient. Secondly, it fits easily within the established commercialization process of regular therapy and would enable faster monetization. And further, as you can see in this pipeline chart, the company has 3 autologous therapies targeting PRAME in advanced clinical trials. However, I'm keen on the bispecifics approach. Now let us look at the ownership pattern of Immatics. As you can see in this chart, the general public with 31% ownership is the largest block, followed by venture capital or private equity firms at 25.1%, institutions hold 21%, hedge funds hold 12.8%, while insiders hold 4.3%. This wide distribution should be good for the stability of share prices. Equity dilution so far has been only 4% over the years. Total market capitalization at this point of time is close to $680 million, and the company does not have any debts at this time, while its free cash stands at $337 million at the end of Q2. And here are my conclusions. I think that in normal market, IMTX should have a potential to double its present price and touch $20. However, normal times are far away, so I think further drops provide opportunity to dollar cost average. The risk of buy specific seems to be lower in my opinion as compared to ACT, and based on what I understand as an investor. Therefore, as buy specifics IMA 402 progresses along the FDA approval cycle, we should see greater strength in the share price. That said, my friends, this brings me to an end of this video. That's all I have to share about my opinions on IMTX. I hope you liked this, and if you did, if you liked the video, please press a like out there so that YouTube can promote our video to other people like yourself who are interested in genomics. And if you're not yet a subscriber, please subscribe. We are already at around 650 plus, and we want to reach a target of 1,000, and your subscription will definitely help us, and it will mean a lot to me. Thanks and have a great day. Bye for now.